Today, we are adding a stylish neon outline effect to your videos, a perfect way to make your subject glow with colorful neon light. Let's get started. First, import your video into CapCut and make sure it's selected on the timeline. Then, tap on Effects at the bottom and go to Video Effects. Now, scroll over to the Party tab and search for Neon Outline. Tap on it to apply it to your video. Right away, you'll see your subject surrounded by a bright, glowing outline that gives a futuristic and energetic vibe. To make it look just the way you want, tap on the effect again. You'll see an intensity slider. This controls how strong or bright the glow appears. Move it to the right for a bold, intense glow, or to the left for a smoother, softer outline. Once you've adjusted it to your liking, play back your video. Your subject now stands out with an eye-catching neon aura. And that's it. You've successfully added the neon outline effect in CapCut Mobile, perfect for dance reels, party edits, or stylish short videos. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick CapCut editing guides.